Suolavuorentie 16 in
Lappeenranta staircase B.
yeah. So yeah, what is the name of area?
There is actually no. It is just asunto-osakeyhtiö Suolavuorentie 16.
Yeah, but
Let's go. Boring.
is this Kiiskimäki or where?
Kanavansuu.
Okay.
Built in 1993, 4 persons or 320 kilograms, age 67734. It is traction, not actually hydraulic.
Yeah.
I thought that it was hydraulic, but so small.
Yeah.
Are actually quite big for 4 persons.
Yeah.
But why 4 persons on a wheel in 90s? No flow indicator here.
Yeah.
There's overload. Light there.
Yeah. Inspected by Kiva inspected and maintained by Kone.
And we have to hurry up because the bus is coming.
Yeah. That's it.